Hi folks, Dr. Ed Beyer. Today we're going to be talking about autoimmune disease. Autoimmune disease is where our white blood cells, our immune system, whose job is one thing, and that's to remove out of the body what doesn't belong in the body. But in autoimmune disease, what happens is the white blood cells start to make a mistake and they start to form antibodies, or which are like the bullets in the immune system's gun, to our own tissue. And you have to think about this, folks. There's so many more things that are in our environment today, toxins, and even our food supply has been genetically modified. So there are so many more things in our environment today than in the history of humankind that don't belong in our bodies. So our immune systems are working harder now than ever in the history of humankind. And so when the immune system is always working against these things, it starts to make mistakes. And one of the mistakes it'll make is start to form antibodies or to attack our own tissue. That's called an autoimmune disease, and there are over 80 autoimmune diseases that we know of so far. One of them is called Sjogren syndrome. Now, medicine its approach is just to give you things like prednisone and methotrexate and different immunosuppressants to squash the whole immune system. What we practice in functional medicine is we want to identify underlying triggers to autoimmune disease and remove those, then the patient is better. And we're really attacking the underlying causes. I'm going to be going over all of those underlying causes at my free autoimmune recovery workshop held in my clinic in Tinley Park at Beyer Natural Health Solutions on Wednesday, December 30th at 6:30. I'm really excited about it. It's a very in-depth topic, but I'm going to simplify it and you're going to understand thoroughly why this is so prevalent now and what you can do about it. Or you can go to autoimmunerecovery.com. Now, Sjogren syndrome, Vanessa, the tennis player, actually has this. This is where our exocrine glands are glands that produce enzymes, like our thyroid glands or our saliva glands or even our pancreas. Usually in Sjogren syndrome, Sjogren was a Swedish guy who discovered this, by the way, and our immune system is attacking these glands. So the most common symptoms are dry eyes and dry mouth, which can cause problems to the cornea. It can become very serious. Dental cavities, malabsorption of nutrients, and things like that. So we had several patients with Sjogren's, and a lot of them have underlying causes like food sensitivities and blood sugar imbalances and different nutritional deficiencies that are stoking or causing the immune system to do this. So if you suffer from an autoimmune disease like Sjogren's or any other autoimmune disease, call the number, come to the workshop on Wednesday the 30th. You're going to be shocked at what you're going to learn. I'm Dr. Beyer. Hope to see you there.